Hello legends, it's Guan here. Good to see all of you here today. Thanks for tuning in for today's video. We'll be looking at Unity Software Technologies, ticker symbol U.
Asking the questions, old man. Who are you?
You.
No, not me, you.
Yes, I am you.
In this video, I'll be covering 6 major aspects. Number 1, what does the company do? Number 2, revenue streams. Number 3, market size and opportunity. Number 4, potential risks and competitions. Number 5, financials. Number 6, valuation and my final thoughts. So, what say you? Let's get ready for a ride. What does the company do? Now, do you play any games? Be it PC or mobile or consoles? Chances are, you probably do. Many people will relate to these AAA games such as Call of Duty from Activision, FIFA from Electronic Arts, World of Warcraft from Blizzard, GTA from Rockstar Studios, and more. In recent years, we have had a massive hit with mobile games such as Among Us, Pokemon Go, and so on. But have you ever wondered what tools these companies use to create all these blockbuster games that you are playing right now? Introducing Unity, the typical behind-the-scenes company that normally people wouldn't hear of. It was founded in 2004 as a game development engine where game developers use Unity software to render and to animate gameplays. In fact, the award-winning Pokemon Go, Among Us, and many other popular mobile games were created using Unity. Their game development engine provides real-time 2D and 3D content for more than 20 platforms, such as Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and AR/VR platforms, just to name a few. Unity is famous amongst mobile game developers. As a result, one amazing feat of this company is that in the Q4 2020, 71% of the top 1,000 mobile games were made with Unity. And 94 of the top 100 game development studios by global revenue in 2020 were Unity clients. With all that being said, many Fortune and Global 500 companies in the non-gaming industries such as architecture, engineering, construction, automotive, and more are using Unity across many new use cases. Case in point, BMW created the virtual vehicles in Unity's virtual world. And 95% of all BMW's autonomous test drive miles are driven by virtual vehicles in Unity's virtual world. This virtual test drive miles data is known as synthetic data in the industry. Because of this, BMW was able to collect and utilize this synthetic data in their autonomous vehicle vision. What are their revenue streams? 3 major revenue segments as reported. A. Create Solution, which is a set of subscription packages for the developers, artists, and users to create, edit, run, and deploy real-time 2D and 3D content. B. Operate Solution. It's basically a set of software packages that help users to run and monetize their real-time 2D and 3D content across more than 20 platforms. Think of it like you just bought a brand new PC and you need softwares to help you with your work. That's the basic idea. C. Partnerships with others, primarily from partnership contracts with hardware, OS, device, game consoles, and other technology providers such as Xbox, Android, etc. Now, in terms of revenue segmentation, Create Solution, Operate Solution, and Strategic Partnerships take up about 30%, 62%, and 8% of total revenue respectively. Market size and opportunity. Given that their software can render AR/VR content, let's take a look at this Statista chart that shows the AR and VR market size worldwide from year 2021 to year 2024. Needless to say, it's expected to grow from $31 billion to roughly $300 billion of market size. It's 10x of the market size growth. Given that Unity primarily hinges on providing content rendering for mobile gaming, let's also take a look at this gaming market report. The global gaming market was valued at $160 billion in year 2020, and it is expected to reach $300 billion by year 2026. This is evident as more and more people use smartphones and pay for in-game purchases. Needless to say, these few data points show that the future gaming and AR/VR markets are growing big and fast, therefore showing a significant runway for the company in the future. Do you agree with my findings? Let me know about your thoughts in the comment section down below. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon too. Potential risks and competitors. With such a huge and growing total addressable market, surely this will mean intense competition. And they do have competitors. Unity primarily competes against proprietary game engines that are built in-house by the large gaming studios with large budgets. And also Unreal Engine, which is a game engine owned by Epic Games. Now, Unreal Engine primarily offers game development tools serving the PC games, console games, and mobile game sectors, as well as the non-gaming sectors. The parent company, Epic Games, also has their own portfolio of games, such as Rocket League, Fortnite, and so on, where they make most of the revenue from. The fact that Epic Games created their own games using their own game engine is a testament to their execution and monetization abilities. Now, keep in mind that Unreal Engine primarily serves the game developers who focus on AAA games, which are games of high budget and high quality. Whereas Unity's game engine is popular amongst the indie game developers in the mobile game segment. Though Unity's game engine is also capable in the non-mobile segment as well. To simplify your understanding, think of them as a truck and a normal sedan car. Both are vehicles with slight differences in use cases, though still serving the same purpose. Financials. Let's take a look at the Q1 2021 results. In terms of income statement, Unity has achieved $234 million of revenue. It's a whopping 41% year-over-year growth. By looking into the segments, Create Solutions, Operate Solutions, Partnerships with others, they were all at $70.4 million, $146.6 million, $17.8 million of revenue respectively. This is an increase of 51%, 40%, and 12% respectively from the Q1 of 2020. Operating losses were at $110.9 million compared to $27.4 million in Q1 2020. This is largely due to the increase in stock-based compensation. 837 customers each generated more than $100,000 of revenue in the trailing 12 months as of Q1 2021, compared to only 668 as of Q1 2020. Now, here's an important metric for Unity. It's the dollar-based net expansion rate. It's basically the average net amount of spending per customer per year. Dollar-based net expansion rate as of Q1 2021 was 140% as compared to 133% as of Q1 2020. In terms of balance sheet, Unity has total current assets of $2 billion with about $1.6 billion in cash and a total current liabilities of about $490 million. This shows that Unity has enough liquidity for the foreseeable time. In terms of cash flow statement, net cash used in operations is around $89 million as compared to $32 million year over year. Valuation and my final thoughts. Unity is a company that started as a real-time 2D and 3D content development engine, and it has since then expanded to non-gaming industries where the AR/VR rendering tool is increasingly used to increase efficiency and enhance learning experiences. With more and more consumers desiring in-depth interactive content for learning, gaming, and other uses, the use of AR/VR based content is expected to gain strong momentum in the long run. Think about it. Imagine if you can now learn new things in a true 3D and augmented reality format, and our brains learn better via interactive visual stimulation. This would definitely jive well with the mass market. Case in point, you can just look at the track record of Pokemon Go. Yes, we definitely need faster internet bandwidth to support more mass use of real-time 3D or AR/VR content. However, do bear in mind that 5G is coming faster than ever. It's only a matter of time before AR/VR reality comes into play. Unity has a current market cap of $30 billion. Looking at expected 2021 revenue of $1 billion, this gives revenue multiple of 30x. Let's now compare this against Epic Games' valuation. Bear in mind that Epic Games is a privately owned company, but there have been some reports about their revenue and profitability. We shall use those as a basis. Taking Epic Games' 2020 revenue of about $5 billion with the EBITDA margin of 20%, this gives EBITDA of about $1 billion. It's reported that Epic Games is valued at around $30 billion, giving it a 30x EBITDA multiple, and therefore 6x of revenue multiple. Now, Epic Games is already a profitable game engine cum studio company. 6x of revenue multiple versus Unity's 30x revenue multiple. Now, the Epic Games valuation also considers their revenue streams from the game license and royalties, engine revenue, game merchandise, and more. So, the valuation might not be completely fair to Unity. Now, I personally think that the current Unity valuation is a bit overvalued, as I consider Epic Games' valuation in the picture. Unity's valuation has to be justified via the extensive market share grabbing and subsequently making profit out of it in the AR/VR segment in the non-gaming industries. However, I will still definitely consider Unity for my portfolio, as I would love to be exposed to the real-time 3D AR/VR future. I'll definitely continue to monitor Unity in my watch list. Thanks for watching for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.